Good day, traders. Stock Sumo here. Today we're going to be looking at Liberty Star Uranium Metals Corp. That's ticker symbol LBSR. And today is Monday, July 16th. We've been talking about this one for a while in our newsletters and on the message boards. And you can see why the past three sessions we've seen higher highs and higher lows, confirming that we're in an uptrend. Another key thing that I want to point out on this chart is the 20-day moving average, which is currently making a golden cross, and it's passing through the 200-day moving average. It's already came through the 50 and the 100-day moving average, and here we go. It's setting up to break through this 200-day moving average, and notice the stock is in a nice uptrend. We had the big run here late June, early July from 0175 all the way to a high of 0499. So that 0499 is going to be a key resistance area in the future. And we're up against another key resistance area around the 4-cent mark. Notice back here in the February range, the stock had gotten up to the 4-cent mark, had a little bit of resistance, and then fell below that 200-day moving average and was on a downturn ever since then. Let's take a look at some of the other indicators here. The RSI is getting into the power zone. That's looking really strong. Notice the last time the RSI was in the power zone, the stock broke out and had a rapid move up. The PPO, these lines were looking like they were going to converge, but now the PPO is turning back up and they're showing some divergence. They're still splitting apart, so that looks good. The slow stow just got a bullish crossover right here, and it's holding above the 50 line. It's also holding above the 50 MA overlay, which is very good. So all in all, the chart for LBSR is looking prime. Love seeing what happens after the golden cross. So we're going to be on the lookout for what happens with LBSR this week. On Friday, the stock closed at the high day, closed at 4 cents, and like I said, is at a key resistance point here. Once it breaks through this 4-cent mark, the next key resistance is going to be that 0499. If we do see a pullback, I'd like to see it hold support above the 200-day and above the 20-day moving average, and those are both sitting at 027. Be sure to stop by our blog and sign up for our free newsletter at bluehorseshoestocks.com. And as always, thanks for tuning in.